welcome back to my channel. I am so happy you're here. I hope you are taking the time to speak your own love language, give yourself a lot of hugs, kiss yourself on each shoulder because you deserve your affection too. And today, we're doing not a heck of a lot. It's been a hot minute since I stopped in and just like chatted with you guys and just gave you like an update. I love watching vlogs lately. I am just like obsessed with cuddling up with a blanket, some tea, and my dog, and just like watching vlogs on YouTube. So I was like, I want to make more of these. They really make my heart happy. I love hearing when you guys connect with the vlogs that I make. Just makes it all so fun. It feels so much more like social, you know? So yeah, that's kind of what we're doing today. It is February something, or rather, my brand ambassadors are going to be here in about half an hour. We're going to do a little group photo shoot. And then this week I'll take you with me a little bit as well, just as I do regular work stuff. It's just like a pretty chill, regular work week with some shoots and a lot of editing in the pipelines. So I thought I'd kind of show you what like a week in my life looks like, and give you some updates as well. I had like a big plan to make this really fun like studio refresh video because a lot of you were asking for like studio tips and how to like decorate and make the most out of your space. So I took like a bunch of footage of before I did some studio refreshes, and I was so excited to make this video of like before, during, and after, because I took half of December off, so this was like gonna happen over that like holiday break, and then on December 22nd at 10 p.m. I got a text from my property manager that said, hey, there's been a flood, you need to come to your studio, and sure enough, it had snowed in our city, and our city doesn't do snow very well, so the snow and ice had frozen on our roof, clogging all the drains, and they didn't clear it out. And then it all melted into my studio. So none of the other offices in the building were affected nearly as bad as mine, which I love. Love that for me. Thankfully though, in a turn of events, I had taken most of the client albums that I needed to return to clients. They had been previously sitting on the floor, but I had taken them home with me for the holiday break, as well as all of my hard drives and anything really of value had been at home with me. So that was like a thank you, universe, for looking out. My makeup artist kit was somehow fine. The water stops like this far away from her kit, which was amazing. I'll probably pop some of the footage in here for you guys to see, but it was a pretty shit time. It's still a pretty shit time because they haven't fixed the damage. Obviously we're shooting in here and I'm making it work, but we lost the bed, which wasn't too bad because I had wanted to get rid of it anyways. I never really shot on it, and it kind of just annoyed me and was like in my way. And I was keeping it because like as a boudoir photographer, I was like, well, I have to have a bed, but I never used it like ever. I found shooting on a couch or the floor was way more creative and intimate, and I just loved those photos way more than just like a regular bed. So we lost that, but aside from that, like we managed to save everything else, which was really cool. I'm really happy about that. And the restoration company came in and they had to open up the walls to check for residual moisture. And that was in January, and it's almost the end of February, and there's still holes in my wall and they haven't fixed it, and they don't have any plans to fix it, it doesn't sound like. So I'm just shooting around it. I'll show you guys. I'll show you what it's like. It's kind of... Here, let's go for an adventure. So I'm hiding it. I'm hiding it with this fake wall situation. So you can't... Hey, that's me. You can't really tell because I shoot this way mostly. Like this is the space I shoot in, or I shoot over here or a shoot in my third corner back there. So you can't really see, but this is what they left me with. Just a big old hole in my wall. We love it. So I cover it with curtains. You can't really see it. It's kind of turned into my storage corner for now. Ooh. So yeah, I mean, this is fine. A shoot over there. And then I've got this. So that's fun. That's the hole in my wall. It's kind of just become like a part of the studio. But yeah, so that's kind of why I feel like the last couple months I've been pretty stressed. So my capacity for like extra projects and more YouTube videos and stuff like that has been pretty low because I have this big mental weight of this insurance battle, basically, is what I'm going through right now, to figure out when the heck they're gonna fix the studio that I pay a lot of money for that has currently got a big hole in it. We love it. But yeah, aside from that, everything's pretty good. I still wanted to show you guys some little studio refreshes that I did, because I still did do like a little bit of a flip, and I did like redecorate some spots, so I'm just gonna show you some of that. And then aside from that, I'm gonna take you behind the scenes today on the group shoot, and hopefully you guys enjoy this little week in my life. And that's all I have for updates for now, so let's go check out the studio. I didn't really think through what I'm doing this week before I decided to do like a week in my life vlog. I had laser today for scar removal, so I'm pretty like unexciting this week, to be honest. It's gonna be a lot of admin. Tomorrow I'll take you to the office, so we'll go do that. Thursday I have a shoot which you get to see, and then I'm editing this video for you to watch on Friday. So not a lot happening this week. I have to prep for my Bali / Vegas trip, so maybe I'll show you some of that preparation and all of the fun stuff that I've had to go buy for that trip. But yeah, not a lot happening. It's very chill, very admin, a lot of editing, so that when I'm actually away on my trip I can focus on being present instead of focusing on staying caught up with work. So trying to just get caught up on all of that stuff before I go. What is my hair doing? What is this? Yeah, the rest of the day is gonna be pretty chill, and then we get to go to the studio tomorrow. So boy. Georgia, paw. No, paw. Yes, good boy. Good paw. Say hi. Good afternoon. We are at the studio editing today. I realized I'm in the same sweater that I filmed in yesterday. But it is just one of those weeks, you know? Like, I haven't done laundry. Gotta do laundry. It's just one of those weeks where I just like want to be in my comfy, safe sweater, if you know what I mean. So that's where we're at. Today I'm just doing some editing. Being pretty boring today. I'm gonna film a Patreon video talking about like client care before their shoot. It's been like a highly requested video, so gonna do that up. Finally coming home. Disinfecting spray. Ooh, influencer. Look at this brand. The studio is ready for our babe to do. Gonna make some art, gonna make some magic, gonna take some nudes.